My kit came with a brand new heat exchanger. That is our Porsche part number, so I'm gonna install this. There's a little old versus new comparison, so I'm gonna transfer that hose over, and I still have the mounting hardware there. Always want to make sure you replace the O-rings. There's 2 larger ones and then 2 smaller ones that go in these little recesses. All right, got the O-rings on. The way these bolts are spaced out, this can only go in one direction, but carefully place it on there to make sure you do not mess up the O-rings. My bolts are T40s, torque to 10 Newton meters. All right, oil filler tube. They normally look like this piece. I have the Ultimate AOS, so it has the track version of it has this drain built in. So anything going to the AOS automatically drains back into your engine, and you need to replace the O-ring around the neck of it, and the kit came with a new one. Here's the part number. I've got the new O-ring and some assembly lube. So one minor design complaint I have with the Ultimate AOS here is that this tube is right where this metal one is for that. So you can't have it run over the top, which would be good for gravity feeding. Instead, we gotta like run it under here and have it come out that way at the beginning so that I can fit this, over here and get it seated in the first place. And then I have to kind of pull it back out and reroute it over that way, which is where it's gonna end up going. All right, so these 2 E10s right here and right here both go down to 10 Newton meters. So this is interesting. I'm noticing that there is a little bigger gap there than I would have expected. I never paid attention, but I assumed that that top piece would lay flush with the metal, but as you can see, it does not. So I hope that's correct, because this is all the way flush and that's what it mounts to. And this hose needs to route out over this way because this is where it's going to attach on that side of the engine, not over where the AOS normally is. Swap the hose over with some pliers and aim it in that direction somewhere.
Thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful. If you found value in the information shared, please take a moment to give it a like and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback not only encourages us, but also helps others discover content that can make a difference. Remember, every like and comment counts in building a community where we can all learn and grow together. Looking forward to seeing you soon.